Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. All right, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, I'm coming to you all today with a share, but this time you all are going to have to make a decision on which one of these you want me to do a DIY on. So you have to make the decision. You choose. I have two pair of earrings here, and you have to make a decision on which ones you want me to do a DIY on to show you all how to make and create. Okay? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that was really quick, right? The title of this video is called You Decide. So y'all make a decision, and I will get back with you all tomorrow after 2 o'clock, because I want this to run for 24 hours, and whichever one I get the most votes on, that's the one that I am going to show you all how to make and create. Okay, so with that being said, I want to thank y'all for taking the time out to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it so very much. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.